describe Sur-Seal in one word, I guess it would be partner. That would be the word that I would use. And that's because it takes a village to make everything work. It takes the customer, it takes our customer service, purchasing, our suppliers, the trucking companies. Everything has to come together to make it work. And obviously, you know, we're the hub to that spoke. And so that is something that we really pride ourselves on, being helpful, being responsive, and really going the extra mile so our customers know what they mean to us. And I think as time goes on, I think customers really know how we treat them, because when the chips are down is really when you know. When things are going great, they're going great. But what this world has been through the past 4 or 5 years, cream rises, and I'm really proud of where we stand in great company with other great companies, because our people were able to rise to the occasion.